Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on how to connect a laptop to your TV using an HDMI cable. Okay, to accomplish this task you're going to need four items. The first one is a HDMI cable that's at least 6 feet in length. The next item is going to be your remote control for your widescreen TV. And you will need your laptop and of course your widescreen TV as well. Okay, now that you got all the items that you need for this project, go ahead and grab your laptop and locate the HDMI port on your laptop, most likely on the side. Go ahead and grab one end of the HDMI cable, and we're going to insert that into the HDMI port on your laptop. And then go ahead and grab the other end of that HDMI cable, and on the back of your widescreen TV locate the HDMI port that you want to plug that into, and then plug that HDMI cable into it. Once that's done, more than likely you'll see no signal on your widescreen TV. You need to grab your remote control and push the input button and select the HDMI as your input. And once that's done, you'll see the same screen on your laptop on your widescreen TV. In my case, I have the Windows 8.1 start screen being displayed on my widescreen TV and my laptop at the same time. And also keep in mind that any keyboard activity and mouse movement will also be seen on your laptop and your widescreen television as well. Okay, that's it for this video. Subscribe and like my video.